Hello, everyone.
Hi, friends. Welcome back to our English conversation.
Today, we have a very important topic.
Yes, today we will learn demonstrative pronouns.
Big words make me nervous.
Don't worry, Adam. The grammar is easy.
Are you sure?
Yes, we only need 4 words.
4 words? I know 4 words.
They are this, that, these, and those.
Oh, I know these words.
Great! Today we will practice them.
And maybe I will make some mistakes.
Many mistakes.
Thank you for your confidence.
You're welcome.
First question. What is this?
This is for one thing that is near.
Near me?
Yes,
For example, this microphone,
exactly.
this chair,
Correct.
this coffee,
Yes,
this beautiful teacher.
thank you.
I was talking about myself.
Of course you were.
What about that?
That is for one thing that is far.
Like that lamp,
Yes,
that camera,
correct.
that spider.
Where?
Just kidding.
Adam,
I wanted to see your demonstrative pronouns.
you wanted to see me scream.
Maybe a little.
Now, let's talk about these.
Plural?
Yes, more than one thing near us.
These books.
Good.
These headphones.
Excellent.
These cookies.
Where are the cookies?
In my imagination.
Your imagination is delicious.
What about those?
Those is for plural things far away.
Those plants.
Yes,
Those lights.
correct.
Those aliens.
Adam, there are no aliens.
You never know.
Let's practice.
I am ready.
What is this?
This is a pen.
Good. What is that?
That is a lamp.
Excellent. What are these?
These are books.
Very good. What are those?
Those are chairs.
Perfect.
I am a grammar genius.
Let's not go that far.
Too late.
Imagine we are in a supermarket.
Okay?
I hold an apple.
This apple is red.
Good. The bananas are far away.
Those bananas are yellow.
Excellent.
The cookies near me.
These cookies are delicious.
The vegetables far away.
Those vegetables are fresh.
I suddenly feel hungry.
You always feel hungry.
That statement is true.
Notice something important.
What?
We often use this and these when something is close.
And that and those for things far away.
Exactly.
Very easy.
Sometimes we use these words with people.
Really?
Yes.
Example?
This is my friend Adam.
Hello.
That is my teacher.
Those are my classmates.
These are my parents.
Interesting.
Now, let's play a game.
I love games.
I say a word, you answer.
Ready.
One book near you.
This book.
2 books near you.
These books.
1 car far away.
That car.
3 cars far away.
Those cars.
Excellent.
I deserve a prize.
Here is this invisible trophy.
Thank you for this invisible trophy.
Keep that invisible trophy safe.
I will put it next to those invisible medals.
You have many invisible things.
They are very cheap.
Let's make some sentences.
Okay.
This coffee is hot.
That pizza is cold.
These shoes are comfortable.
Those dogs are loud.
Very good.
This lesson is fun.
That joke was terrible.
Which joke?
All of them.
That hurts.
Notice another thing.
What?
This and that are singular.
One thing.
Yes.
These and those are plural.
Correct.
2 or more things.
Exactly.
I have a question.
Go ahead.
Can I say these book?
No,
Why?
because these needs a plural noun.
These books.
Correct.
Those cars.
Yes.
This books.
No.
That dogs.
Also no.
English is fighting me.
English is helping you.
It feels like fighting.
Let's imagine a classroom.
Okay.
The teacher says, "This is a pencil."
The students say, these are pencils.
The teacher points far away.
That is a window.
And,
Those are desks.
excellent.
I think I understand.
Let's do some funny examples.
My favorite part.
This sandwich is mine.
That sandwich is also mine.
Adam.
These cookies are mine.
No,
Those cakes are mine.
absolutely not.
My diet is very successful.
Only in your imagination.
Like the invisible trophy.
Exactly.
Can demonstrative pronouns start a sentence?
Yes,
Example,
this is my house.
that is my car.
These are my friends.
Those are my neighbors.
Perfect.
What if I point at you?
Please be nice.
This is Victoria.
Thank you.
That is Victoria when she is angry.
And those are the problems you create.
I should be careful.
Very careful.
Let's review.
Good idea.
This, one thing near.
That, one thing far.
These, many things near.
Those, many things far.
Easy.
Very easy.
I think students can remember.
I think so too.
Before we finish, let's give examples.
This microphone is black.
That lamp is bright.
These books are interesting.
Those chairs are comfortable.
This lesson is useful.
These examples are easy.
That joke was bad.
Those jokes were worse.
Finally, Adam understands something.
That comment is rude.
This smile is friendly.
Those tears are real.
Thank you for learning with us.
Practice these words every day.
Look around your house.
Point to objects.
Say, this is a chair.
That is a television.
These are books.
Those are pictures.
Little practice every day helps a lot.
And remember,
English can be simple,
English can be fun.
and demonstrative pronouns are easy.
See you next time.
Bye, everyone.
And please do not take this invisible trophy.
Or those invisible cookies.
They are very expensive.
Goodbye.
Bye.
Thank you for listening to Fremar Talks. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe, leave a like, and share it with a friend. See you in the next episode.